Hey everyone. Last week for English, we started working on persuasive writing. Again, persuasive writing is when you write a letter or a paragraph to convince someone to think the way you think or to convince them to do something for you. Now, I asked you to write a persuasive paragraph to tell me which season is the best. And most of you did a very good job. You gave me three reasons. You gave me a lot of details and explanations. So that's great. I realized that some of you didn't write the paragraph though, and that's kind of my fault because the one of the files that I uploaded, you had to scroll down to find the paragraph organizer. So some of you did not see this and you just ended up doing this part right here. So if you didn't do this part, if you have some time to write the paragraph, go ahead and do it. Now, some of you, again, you did a very good job giving me your reasons and writing maybe one or two sentences to do a little bit more explaining. Um, some of you forgot to include words like first, second, and third. Those are sequence words. You need to make sure that when you list your reasons, you list them in order. And you have to use words like first or then and finally. Okay? So, your work for this week, we're going to continue with persuasive writing. You're going to listen to a story called What Pet Should I Get by Dr. Seuss on YouTube. I'll post the link for that. And then you are going to write a persuasive paragraph to tell me which pet you think the sister and brother should get. Okay. And you're going to follow the same format. That means you're going to write a paragraph by telling me your opinion. I think Kai and his sister should choose blah, 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 blah. The first reason is because, then finally, or second and third, and then you write a conclusion. Okay. So that's all I want you to do for this week. It shouldn't be too hard. It's just more practice so that you can get used to writing persuasive paragraphs.